Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll be continuing the chapter light and we'll be moving towards unit 1.2. That was unit 1.1 about what is light actually. And this is 1.2 that is shadows. So what are shadows? A shadow is a region of darkness formed when the path of light is blocked. All right. When the path of light is blocked by something, then a shadow of light is formed. Shadows are formed because light travels in a straight line, as we actually studied before, that light can only travel in a straight line. Light cannot bend around the object to reach the back, as you can see in the picture. Thus, a region of darkness where light cannot reach is formed behind the object. Getting it? As you can see over here in the picture, shadow formation over here, the sun is giving out straight lines over here, and the light cannot go over this side of the building, and therefore a shadow is formed over here as no light reaches this region and it is blocked by the building. Therefore, this is considered the shadow of the building. Look at the diagram above. That's a question, something you should do. Imagine the sun is rising. Where will the shadow of the building be? And how will it look as the sun part A rises overhead or part B sets? You may draw light rays like those in the diagram above to help you locate the position and find the size of the shadows. That's what something you need to do. Okay, try it out. Predict whether a shadow is formed when a translucent material is placed in the path of light. What were translucent materials? Can anyone tell me? Translucent materials are the materials that only allow a little light to pass through them, right? Explain your prediction, test your prediction by shining a torch through a translucent material with a white wall or a whiteboard acting as a screen and check if your prediction was correct. Whoopsies. Yes. Okay. The type of shadow that is formed is just depending on the size and position of the light source and the object. Here you can see a lighted lamp, and a pinhole is used to produce a point source of the light. And then there's an object, and then there are rays of light. Actually, light travels in a straight line. There's a screen, and there's an umbra. So a shadow is formed by a point of source. The shadow formed by a point source of light is uniformly and totally dark, basically, with a sharp outline like that shown in the diagram above, right? For an intended source of light, the shadow form consists of a dark region called an umbra and a partial shadow called the penumbra. The penumbra varies in brightness, okay? It is very dark near the umbra, but gets brighter and brighter at the outer part where more light can reach it. As a result of the changing brightness in the penumbra, no sharp outline is formed. Getting it? That's the difference in the shadow formation. Okay, so a street lamp is an extended source of light. See, when you walk towards a street lamp, a shadow with an umbra and a penumbra is formed behind you, all right, not in front of you. Will the shadow get shorter or longer as you watch closer to the lamp? As we've studied over here that basically for an extended source of light, the shadow form consists of a dark region called an umbra and a partial shadow called a penumbra, as you can see over here. Okay, the penumbra varies in brightness. It's varying in brightness here. Yes. It is very dark near the umbra, but gets brighter and brighter at the outer part where more light can reach it. See, dark side, more light can reach it. As a result, the changing brightness in the penumbra, no sharp outline is formed. Getting it? Now, use an object to cast shadows, all right, on a wall. This is something if you want to do, you can do. So what we have learned in this lesson, a shadow is a region of darkness formed when the path of the light is blocked, actually, okay? It's only formed when the path of the light is blocked because the light travels in a straight line. Shadows are formed because light travels in a straight lines, of course, and it cannot move in a zigzag way. A point source of light forms a shadow of an object with an umbra only. The umbra is a dark region with a well-defined outline. Okay, an extended source of light forms a shadow with an umbra and partial shadow called penumbra, as you can take a look in the picture over here. Now this chapter will be continued in various more videos, so stay tuned for it. All right, see you all again. Goodbye.